Welcome. I'm Stephanie Devaney, Deputy Director of the All of Us Research Program at the National Institutes of Health. I'm joined today by my colleague, Dr. Diane Babsky. We're here asking for your help as we continue to build this bold new program. The All of Us Research Program is a historic effort funded by the National Institutes of Health and carried out by more than 80 organizations from across the country. The mission of All of Us is to accelerate health research and medical breakthroughs, enabling individualized prevention, treatment, and care for all of us. We will do this by engaging 1 million or more individuals for many decades from across the United States who agree to share information about themselves, their lifestyles, their environment, and their health through the sharing of information from their electronic health records, by answering surveys and providing biological samples, and then making that information available to researchers from across the country. But we can't do this alone. We need your help to identify the best scientific opportunities for a study of this size and scope. We're using a crowdsourcing platform called IdeaScale, and Diane is here to show you how easy it is to submit your ideas.
Thank you, Stephanie, and hello, everyone. I'm Diane Babsky from the National Library of Medicine. I'll be providing a demo of the IdeaScale platform where you can submit your research ideas. So first, how do you get there? There are links posted on the All of Us web pages, or you can go to allofusresearchpriorities.ideascale.com. To use IdeaScale, you need to have an account. If you've already used IdeaScale, you are ready to go. If not, registering is easy. Just add a working email and your zip code, then click Register. Check your email that you used to register and look for a confirmation email with a link to complete your registration. So how do you add your ideas to this platform? It's easy. Once you're logged in and at the main menu, click on Ideas. On the Ideas page, you'll see a list of ideas already submitted. In the top right, a Submit New Idea button is there. Click on that to open a new form. While we only require 3 fields to be completed, the more refined you make your submission, the better we can understand what data is needed to address your research questions. So let's go through the form. English is the default language for submissions. First, you'll add your research question. What kind of research can be addressed with the All of Us research program? Next, we ask for a more detailed summary of how you would design a study to address this research question, such as goals, methods, or expected outcomes or measures. Below that, add some keywords. Just start typing and select from the list. Pick one or many. Later, I'm going to show you that adding keywords provides a convenient way for others to quickly link to your idea. The next part of the form allows you to drill down into data requirements for your study. You can add up to 5 sets of data requirements. If you need more space, there's a comment box at the end of the form where you can add additional details about your research idea. So first, what data, like diet used in this example, are needed for your study? For each of the fields, just start typing and select from the list. If you don't see your item in the list, just add it in the box below. We'll update the list with your item for all to use. Next, you can refine the data element you just added. What are the methods for obtaining the data you selected, like surveys? Again, if you don't see your item in the list, add it in the box below. And even more refinement, are there any other specifications needed for the data method you selected? In this example, our data was diet, collected via surveys, and once a year. If you don't see your item in the list, add it in the text box below. A reminder that you can add up to 5 sets of data requirements. If you need more space, use the comment box at the end of the form. When you're done, click Submit or save as a draft to edit and submit later. One of the nice things about IdeaScale is that it provides the opportunity to see what everyone else is adding as research ideas. You can look at recent or popular ideas, search in the text box, or even click on the keywords to see a set of related ideas. Another fun feature is the ability to vote on your favorite ideas or even comment on submissions. Commenting is a great way to start a dialogue with other submitters. And that's it. This is a unique opportunity for you to share your ideas with the All of Us Research Program community. I encourage you to add your ideas soon and bookmark the URL and come back often to see what's been added. If you have any questions, please send them to aourpw@nih.gov. We look forward to your submissions.
Thank you, Diane. For more information about All of Us or IdeaScale or to submit a use case, please see the resources below. We look forward to seeing your ideas.